Hey guys, I'm back here at Marshall Recreational Trail. I think I'm gonna start something new called Trail Maintenance Mondays. What this is going to be focused around, simple tasks to keep our trail looking nice. A lot of you guys have asked me in the comment, here's an example of some things that you guys could do that would help with the trails. Just raking the top surface, getting most of the loose rocks and all the leaves, and then any limbs that are hanging over the trail, kind of like this, that may hit you as I trim. And doesn't really take long, you know, 30 minutes a day. Doesn't really have to be that long. A little bit helps a lot. So, only been about 10 minutes. See here what I've got done. I haven't been in here very long, but you can see there's a difference. Just raked the top, got the top layer off, trimmed any trees, and don't have to do it very long. You know, 10, 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, just does a lot. So, you know, we'll just keep going down the trail. Across some flags, don't throw them away. To the top of the trail, and we'll be able to use it. A lot of trash too, you can already see. Lots and lots of trash. Trying to clean up this area, hopefully we can all keep it clean. Trail Maintenance Mondays.